Alright guys, wanted to talk today about talk permit tones. A lot of people go after radios like your XTS 5000 or one of your APX radios because they want to hear this sound when they key up. That's a pretty good sound, especially if you're a Motorola junkie. Now there's a lot of reasons why you may not be able to get that sound out of your radio. Did you know, however, on your AnyTone, you can customize the sounds that your radio makes, including the talk permit tone, and you can get it to sound pretty good. So if you want to set this up in your radio, open up your programming software, go to optional settings, and then go to alert tone. And your call tone is what your push to talk is going to play. So these are the settings I have for that push to talk sound for Motorola. And you can also set idle and call reset tones. Your idle reset or idle channel tone is going to be when you clear an analog signal, and your call reset tone will be when you clear a digital call. So my idle channel tone, which is analog, will sound something like this. And you guys saw those settings that we had set up there, so feel free to make use of those. Of course, the call reset tone for mine is just a single chirp. Didn't want to get too crazy on DMR with tones, but guys, enjoy, have some fun, and now your AnyTone radio can sound almost just like your Motorola.